Hi, my YouTube girly. Welcome back. So today, I am going to talk about being a brown girl trying to get white color. My dear, you are beautiful the way you are. You don't have to change yourself for anyone. Just take care of yourself in the best possible way, and please. DNT run after these shiny, without filter glass skin faces. They have done so many procured you can't even think of. The glass effect skin didn't come out in just one day or using one product. They are the results of consistent skin care routine. No, I am not talking about using 15 products to destroy your skin natural pH. Okay, so we will start from zero, and with very basic wash your face with gentle cleanser that suits your skin. Then use toner. Choose less chemical products that suits your skin. One serum is enough for your skin. If you want to bright your skin, see whitening serum. If your concern is skin hydration, then choose vitamin C serum. And if acne are stick to your faces, then use tea tree serum to get rid of. If you want to apply home remedy, I can tell you one easiest and result-oriented. Take 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Then mix well and apply all over your face. You can use this on your hand and feet as well. Use it as a scrub once or twice a week. You will have amazing results. Apply daily moisturizer. And never skip sunscreen while going out. Just hydrate yourself, exercise a bit, sleep well, and eat healthy. This is all you have to do to get perfect glass skin. I hope you like my video. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.